In today's video, I am going to teach you how to color code Notion Calendar. To get started, open your Notion Calendar view and click on any existing item in the database. This opens the page for that event or task, and it is where you can add the labels that will power your color coding. Inside that item, click on plus, add a property. From the list, choose either Select or Multi-Select. Select is best if each event should have one category. Multi-Select is better if an event can belong to more than one category. For most calendars, Multi-Select gives you more flexibility. Now name this property something clear, like category or tags. After you create it, add your options. For example, you might create tags like work, personal, and urgent. As you add each option, assign a color to it. You can do this by opening the tag settings, using the small menu beside the option, and picking a color such as purple for one tag and red for another. A helpful tip is to keep your colors consistent with meaning, like red for high-priority items, so your calendar is easier to scan at a glance. Next, start applying those tags to your items. Click into different tasks or events and choose the appropriate tag or tags. You can also create a new calendar item by clicking New Page, typing a title, and then assigning a date and a tag. As soon as the item has a tag with a color, it is ready to show up as color-coded in the calendar. Now go back to your calendar view. In the top right of the database view, open the View Options menu, which is the three dots. Then go to Properties. Find your tags or category property in the list, and click the eye icon so it is turned on. This step is important because the calendar can only display the colored labels if that property is visible in the view. Once it is enabled, return to the calendar. You should now see the colored tag labels displayed on each event, making it easy to spot different types of items quickly. If you ever want to adjust the system, you can edit tag names and colors at any time, and the changes will update everywhere in the database. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.